is our boat. And yeah, today we're going on it. So we already strapped it to the car. And yeah, we're going in Bahar. For the wall, there is the sea. Believe me or not, there is, okay? Yeah, it's just very dark. It's 5:40 a.m. And there's Splash and Fun Water Park. Now we're on the boat. There's Captain Daddy over there.
He's controlling the...
Look, the sun is about to come up. The sunrise.
Cock-a-doo-doo!
Look at the beautiful sunrise. That is the sun. It looks like an atomic bomb, but it's the sun.
Long and the short.
The first fish caught. It's a big borash.
And who caught it today?
John Paul, the first fish of the video. Over there, where we are going, is Bujibba. There is Bahar, and there is Lima and St. Julian's. So yeah, just to know where we are. My brother thinks he caught a fish. Let's see if he's right. Did you catch it?
I think so. Okay. Don't do it all the way, okay? Be careful. It's a long way.
Hey, Rosetta.
Come.
That is an eggplant, scrambled egg jellyfish. Huh. It's actually harmless, that jellyfish. These are all the fish we caught. We were fishing off camera a little bit, but yeah, we also threw two away. They were small ones. My father caught another one, he thinks. Let's see if he's right.
Yeah, I think he caught one.
I think so.
Something is coming up. Rosetta. No, Arusa.
So, Arusa.
Yeah, we can let that one go.
Yeah. Okay,
That's,
we caught two
scalm.
fish together. A Rosetta and a scalm.
Look at the teeth of the scalm.
Daddy caught it.
Go on the teeth
right
of the scalm.
here.
Look.
On two hooks.
You see the teeth?
Yeah.
Cool, the shit.
Can you move me?
This is John Paul. Yeah, he's working hard. We parked a little bit, and yeah, we're going to prepare for swimming. Okay.
I'm on camera.
3, 2, 1. Yahoo!
How's the water?
Good. Now I'm having my lunch. And yeah, I put chips inside. It's crunchy.
You got the chip.
Yeah, I know. Now we're going to feed the local fauna.
You have to be careful of these types of fish because I've heard they bite.
Now I'm driving the boat. These are all the fish that we caught. We caught, I think, 43 of them because we did the math. And yeah, we threw away around 10, so 33 fish. Winners for the first fish goes to John Paul. The nicest fish goes to me. I caught that beautiful Rosetta. The first fish goes to John Paul. Wait, did I say that? Anyway, the biggest fish goes to Daddy. The most fish goes to Daddy. And the least fish goes to John Paul. So yeah, end of today's video. And yeah.